In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet permissions sharing. First, open your browser and head to smartsheet.com, then sign into your account. You'll start on your home screen or wherever you last left off. Sharing and permissions work the same across Smartsheet, so once you learn the flow, you can reuse it anywhere. Next, navigate to your workspace. A workspace is like a folder that holds sheets, reports, and dashboards for a team or project. Using a workspace keeps everything organized and makes it easy to manage access at scale. Open the specific sheet you want to share. This is the individual grid or project tracker where you and your team will collaborate. If you're unsure which sheet to open, search by name or browse your workspace list to find the right one. Once the sheet is open, click the Share button, usually located in the upper right corner. This opens the sharing panel where you can control who can see or edit the content and what they can do with it. Before you add people, decide whether you want to share the entire workspace or just this one sheet. Sharing a workspace grants permissions to everything inside it, including new items you add later. Sharing a single sheet limits access to that one item only. Choose the option that matches how broadly you want to grant access. Now add collaborators by entering their names, email addresses, or a Smartsheet group. Groups are a great way to manage access for teams. Add the group once, and everyone gets the same permission level. If you like, include a brief message so recipients know what the sheet is for and what you expect them to do. Choose the permission level that fits each person's role. Admin gives full control, including changing structure, managing columns, and updating sharing settings. Editor can share allows editing content and also sharing with others. Editor cannot share allows editing content without the ability to change sharing. Commentator can view the sheet and leave comments or annotate without editing cells. Viewer is read only for people who just need visibility. A good rule of thumb is to give the least access necessary to do the job and raise it only if needed. When you're ready, click Share to send the invitations. Recipients will get an email and can access the sheet or workspace immediately. If anything changes, return to the Share panel to adjust or remove access, and remember that if someone has permissions at both the workspace and sheet levels, Smartsheet applies the highest level granted. That's it. Now you know how to control access confidently with Smartsheet permissions sharing.